Hello, Jaden. Toy review.
Hello.
What toy you bought today, Jaden?
Chase Ride Rescue.
That's amazing, Jaden.
Yeah.
Paw Patrol Chase, Ride, and Rescue.
Yeah, it's all cool.
Yeah, look. Wow, so it comes with Chase, a cat, a bunny, and the vehicle. And what's the vehicle do, Jaden? Does it transform?
Yeah.
It transforms,
We're here.
Oh. Okay, so this is the vehicle normally. Then when it transforms, look at it.
Yeah.
You put a missile and you shoot it. The cat is flying away, look, with balloons. You have to shoot the missile so he come down. That's the mission. And there's a bunny hiding right there too.
We have a ladder.
Has a ladder too?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay, let's see over here. Oh look, Jaden, look. Chase and 2 missiles.
What's your back?
You can see the back of it. Oh, there's kids playing the toy. Wow. It's for girls and boys, huh, Jaden?
Yeah. Oh, we're going to Banuski.
Oh yeah. Look, there's carrots.
I'm going to save a bunny. Oh, going to save a gopher family.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, going to save Callie.
Okay. So that's everything?
Yeah.
Okay, so what should we do now?
Open it a box.
Yeah, let's open it now. Open it.
But first, but tape.
Oh yeah, tapes. You can't forget that.
Oh,
These are
wait,
the
tapes. I want our tape hiding. I Moses tapes.
There's a lot of tapes hiding?
Yeah.
Wow, okay, so
Oh, I find the tape.
okay. Okay, so now we finished removing the tapes. So now let's open the Paw Patrol Chase and Rescue. Go, Jaden, open it! Done. Let's see how it looks like. I've never seen this toy. This is my first time. Uh-oh. There we go. There we go. Oh, that's 2 more. So we removed 1 already. So now 2 more to go. So we can remove the vehicle, and these are instructions. We're gonna open it right now. Just put that to the side. 1 more, Jaden, 1 more. You can do it. 1 more. Yes. Let's see the vehicle. Yay! Wow, look at the bunny. The bunny is eating a carrot. And these are the missiles that go on the vehicle. There's 2 of them. So we removed the vehicle already. And how does it transform, Jaden? How do you transform it? Wow.
I would put a carrot.
Oh yeah, the carrots. Oh, it opens! You can hide the bunny right here. Then when you press it, it opens.
Wait. It has to say the gopher family.
Oh yeah, look at the gopher family. It's right there. Look at the tree. And look over here. There's balloons, Jaden.
Yeah, I gave us a pet Callie.
Yeah, Kelly goes right there. Okay, where's Kelly at?
And over here.
Oh, get Kelly, Jaden, so we can put it right here in the balloons. How do you put it? Oh, right there. Put the kitty in the balloons. Then you shoot it right here. Okay, so now let's play with it. So, oh, Chase, yeah. Get Chase, Jaden. And then so Chase could shoot his missiles right here. So we could save the kitty.
Okay. Chase.
Oh, yay, Chase! Where does Chase go, Jaden? Oh, right there. And here's the missiles. Put the missiles, Jaden.
Oh, yeah.
Here you go.
Yeah. You go up, oh down, up, oh down, up, oh down, up, oh down.
Yeah, the missile goes up or down.
Yeah. And see missile truck.
The extra missile goes right there. And that one, you put it right there. You putting the bunny right now, Jaden?
Yeah.
The bunny goes right there.
Put your box.
Close the box. And shoot the missile, but first, put the cat. There we go, Jaden. Now shoot the missile. Uh-oh. We're gonna save you, kitty. Don't worry.
Shoot missiles.
So, yay! He's okay now.
Yay, we okay now.
Yay. Okay, so what's next, Jaden? You guys hear that? What's that noise? Sounds like a bunny trapped. Oh, he's right there. There's a bunny in trouble, Chase. Oh, rescue him, Chase. There's a bunny in trouble.
Okay.
What's that, Chase?
It's a carrot.
It's a carrot? He's stuck in here. Oh, yay. Oh, there's the bunny. Oh, thank you, Chase. Thank you.
Uh-oh.
Thank you.
Uh-oh. Time to save the Gopher family.
Oh, no. Where's the Gopher family, Chase?
Oh, here. In this
Oh, they're trapped in the tree.
Oh.
Move, kitty. They're trapped in the tree. Save them, Chase. Pull it. Come on. You're strong. Come on. Oh, yes. You did it. Thank you, Chase.
Now let's call Marshall.
Yeah, call Marshall, Chase. We
Marshall.
can have some fun. Oh. Now he's transforming. Chickenletta is right there with a Marshall. Huh?
More fire.
Oh, there's a fire! Put it out, Chase. No, Marshall. Do it again, Marshall. And he has to turn off the fire with the water hose. Yes, Marshall, you did it.
Thanks.
Good job. Oops. Okay. And this is the Chase vehicle, and that's Marshall. Huh, Jaden? Jaden, what are you gonna do right now? Are you gonna save the kitty again?
Yeah. But first, spin a bunny. Oh, wait. Bunny get a carrot.
Oh yeah, he's eating the carrot.
Let's spin in the hair box.
Yeah. Oh no! Again?
Let's save the animals. Okay, there you go.
There we go. Help me!
I save you, Callie.
Go! Yay! Yay! She's safe now. Were you scared, Callie?
No.
No? Oh, you like to fly, huh?
Yeah. Now. Help.
Who's in trouble now? Oh, no.
Oh, I have to save a bunny now.
Oh no, let's go save the bunny again.
Oh, a bunny left a carrot now.
Yeah, he's really hungry, Chase.
Oh, look. Oh, a bite.
Oh, that's the carrot.
Press it.
Yeah, press it, Chase. Oh, there's the
Bunny.
bunny. Yay.
Time to get my another mission today. Bunny. Oh no, a Gopher family.
Oh no, again, Gopher family. Come on, Chase. Pull it. Pull it. You could do it, Chase. You could do it. Yay. Chase is a hero. Oh, yay. Yeah, now go back to the vehicle, Chase. So you can go with Marshall on a different mission. There you go. It has cones in the top? Look, it has cones. I didn't know that. And-
Aquí vamos.
oh yeah? Put the animals right there, Jaden. Oh yeah, the animals go right there. There's the bunny. Now the cat. There you go. Now the last one is Chase. Oh yeah.
Now Marshall.
Now Marshall's over here. Uh-oh, he's transforming too? Again?
And there's fire. Oh, what's it?
Yay, the small fire is gone. Oh no, there's a big fire. Oh no, there's a big fire.
Yeah.
Go! Yay!
Yay.
We did it again. Mission complete. Now go back to the vehicle. That's amazing, huh, Jaden? Yeah. Okay, I'll be Chase. No, I'll be Marshall. And you'll be Chase, okay?
Okay.
Hello, Chase.
Hello.
What is that behind you?
This one, Kelly and Bunny. He was in trouble with. Yeah, that's our friend Sean and stuff helping.
Oh, so you helped him?
Yeah. You was putting out the fire?
Yeah, I was putting out the fire, Chase.
Oh, okay. But we'll transform our vehicles.
You want to transform?
Yeah.
Okay, let's transform. Look at me, Chase.
Whoa.
Look at that, Chase. You like it?
Yeah. Watch
Wow.
me. I not have a house like you.
Oh no? What do you have? Let me see. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
You have a missile too? But my missile is water. Your missile is grass.
Yeah.
Chase, look, I eat my food right here.
Oh, yeah.
Do you have one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you do! Yay, we eat our dog food right there, huh, Chase?
Yeah.
That's very cool. And look, Chase, I have a ladder.
I have a ladder too.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you have a small ladder, Chase?
Yeah.
Yeah, go.
This is Kelly. Yay, we saved Kelly.
Yay!
Now, let's save a bunny.
Bunny?
Let's save a bunny now. It's a bunny. It's a cute bunny. I find you, bunny. Thank you, bunny. I'm not going to just bounce. Help. Oh no, time to save my gopher family.
Yeah, save the gopher for the third time. There we go.
Yay, we saved the gopher family.
Yay.
Callie, my food!
What? Callie's eating your food? Oh, don't worry. I have more food over here. I have more food over here.
Yeah, but
Let me see. Callie, are you really hungry?
I not like bones. I like eating carrots.
Oh, you like eating carrots, Callie?
With the sharing.
So I have one bone and you have one bone too. Yeah. And one carrot? Or 2 carrots? How many carrots do you have, Kitty and Bunny?
We have 2 carrots for eating.
Oh, okay, that's good. You guys can share 2 of them.
Another carrot game, Marshall. Another.
Oh yeah, where? Oh yeah, there's another carrot.
Let's eat our dog food.
Oh yeah, let's eat our dog food. Okay, I'm gonna eat it over here, Chase. In my place.
Yeah, toy full.
Oh yeah, I'm getting full too. I'm gonna go to bed.
I'm not full.
You're not full, Bunny. What? I'm very full. Oh, very tired. I wanna go to sleep.
Good night, Bob.
Okay, I'm gonna sleep. Good night, Chase. Good night, Marshall.
Good night.
Which one you like better?
Marshall and Chase.
You like both of them?
Yeah.
Okay. Say bye to the camera.
Bye.